all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to open your images, pictures on your MacBook in the Photos app. So when you open the Photos app on your MacBook, so here there is no image is showing, as you can see guys in my screen. So I want to open my images in this Photos app. So to open this images in this app, so just right click on your image, go to open with. From here it will show you Photos app. In case the Photos app is not showing, click on other like this. From here you need to scroll down and find out Photos app, select it and then click on open. That's it. Okay, now it will open the photos on your Photos app, as you can see guys. So this is the way to open the images, pictures in your MacBook Photos app. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.